Hey, so I just got home from a long night at work. I work overnights if you don't know. So I'm just now able to go through uh, my AVON box that I got yesterday, which I'm so excited about. Um, so I was going to look through here and show you guys. So here I have the Isinox Renew Clinical Booster. I also have two of these silicone glove protective hand creams, which I am excited to try one of these. My hands are always really dry because of stocking at work. My hands rub against the cardboard, and so I'm excited about those two. I've also got this Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing and Repair hand cream. Avon On Duty 24 Hours Unscented Non-Perfume. Hemp Seed Oil Ultra Nourishing Bathing Bar. Pretty neat. The Himalayan Pink Salt Exfoliating Soap. Ignore the tinfoil on the door. I have to keep the light out while I'm sleeping during the day. I've got two of these lip glosses. They're actually glimmer glosses in pink and glisten. If you're like me, I love lip gloss. It's a lot easier for me to put on than lipstick. And I also went and got my nails taken off last week just because I ordered these and I really wanted to try them and see how they turned out. I got 3 different colors. I'm not really sure which one I want to try yet. They're all pretty. But I'm thinking maybe that purple one. And I got a bag of goodies here. So here I have the Video Expert Color Primer for eyes. Well, it kind of has a shine on it, doesn't it? Glimmer Shadow. And this is in pink. The Love Highbrow Sculpting Brow Gel. I actually thought that was mascara. I guess I didn't pay attention whenever I ordered, but we'll try that out too. Got the Glimmer Eyeshadow Quad. Oh, there is a mascara. Oh. So this one's the mascara. And it is waterproof, which is amazing because I like mine waterproof. I sweat a lot at night. So it helps it stay on. If not, I have mascara up here where my eyelashes touch. And sometimes it runs down a little bit. I've also got 3 chapsticks here. So one is Skin So Soft, which I've never tried this. but I do like the Skin So Soft oil. So this is going to be awesome to try. It is grape flavor. So and then I've got these two flavor savers, strawberry and vanilla. Might be good together. And more goodies. The Glimmer Longwear Gel Eyeliner. And then I've got a Glimmer Longwear Gel Eyeshadow. I also got 3 of these sample packs, and they are lipsticks, so even though I prefer lip gloss over lipstick, I'm going to try these. And they've got 10 different colors in there. Some neutrals, some pinks, some red. So I'll actually try those as well, and then I'll have 2 more. And I got samples. So I have the Avon Far Away perfume samples. I've got 15 of those, and they're the little vials, which you can use several times. And then I've got the Rare Pearl samples for perfume that also have the little vials in there. I've also got several books for this next campaign if you need one. I like to look through the actual paper brochures. It's a lot easier for me to see, and I see the sales and such. So if you need one of these, let me know. I don't mind getting it to you. We also have a digital brochure, so I can send you a link to that as well if you'd rather look at it that way. But that is it for my box. I'm already ready to order more. But anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I'm actually about to get me some sleep. And then get up and make some dinner. Bye.